Today we have a really big box. I wonder what is inside of this really big box. Well, if you guessed that we had a box inside of this really big box, you're the winner. I wonder what we have inside of this big box. If you guessed that there was another box inside of that box, you would be correct. Inside this box, we have warranty paperwork, and then we have another box inside a box, and then magic, we have toys. I will say that this is very, very well packaged. Very well packaged. And there she is. This is the reason I'm still working, to pay for toys. Okay, here you have it, a Bluetti by MaxOak. And there's your front panel. There's your back panel. And this is just an unboxing. I will talk about it more later. See what we have for accessories. That will be this box. Out here. Okay. They're giving us MC4 to 8 barrel, something to that effect. That's to connect solar panels directly to charge it. And then got a big plug-in, 120 volt plug-in, and power pack. I'll do this one-handed. Okay. There's your power pack. This is to AC charge this on a wall. What are we looking at? Lithium-ion battery charger, 2.5 amps. Output 42 volts at 4 amps. And then tells you what charging is doing. Okay. There is our MaxOak Bluetti unboxing. I guess we'll play with it and see if we come out with another video.